Yes, hello everyone, and yeah, Kasi people, Megalia, North, East, West. Yeah, we are back again. That is your African boys, and welcome, my brother.
My name is Samsona, aka No Nonsense. I'm from South Sudan.
Yeah.
I'm here with my boss.
Yeah, this is Gabs Gabi from South Sudan, guys. So today we got one highly requested video by the title Habale, Ropari Nongru.
Yeah, he's a small boy.
It's a small boy, guys. We
Yeah.
saw the video and it's kind of having like, it's a blind boy,
Yeah,
anyway, like
visual issue.
visual problem,
Yeah,
right?
yeah. So actually
So-
this video is going to be very touch.
Like, we don't know that much, but people requested us to check it. So before starting the video, we just want to read little bit
briefly about him.
about this boy, guys.
Yeah.
So we want to know also about him. So they said Rupari
He's a 10 years
Nangru is a
old.
10 years old boy from Mauskir,
Maski
Patarkma,
Patarkuma
Riboy district,
in
Meghalaya.
Meghalaya.
So a voice which moves hardened soul has come to live with his first single Habale.
Yeah, Abale, the name of
The song. Yeah, tell us what does it mean by Habale also,
Habale,
guys,
yeah.
because it's a Kasi word. The artist, although visually impaired because he has vision problem,
Yeah.
has
The
a unique voice
voice.
with an ethereal tone never heard before. We are proud to be a part of his Duke music video, and all the royalties profit out of this music video
Shall go to him
Rupari Nogari
and his family.
guys.
Yeah.
So that is something interesting, and we are so actually curious to know about this little boy. Yeah, so
And
don't forget,
there's
huh?
one more thing I would like to mention before we start. Like, it's God's plans. Like, normally all those people who have sight issue or they are disabled or they have challenges and difficulties, most of them are talented. Like, God took something away from them and gave them something in return at the same time.
Yeah,
So-
actually,
Yeah.
everyone has talent, but maybe some people out there so far they didn't discover their
They
talent,
discover
guys.
their talent,
So we
yeah.
are going to see this boy talent, and we'll tell you.
Yeah.
We'll tell you, guys. Stay tuned, and don't forget, kindly support our channel. And if this boy also have channel, you can support them out.
Yeah.
So let's
If the
start.
little one you have, support him.
Yeah.
All right. Because we rise by lifting others, right?
Yes, we raise by lifting others.
Yeah.
You lift us, we lift other people.
For sure.
Let's start.
This is gonna be very emotional, bro. So hold your tears, okay? Try to control your tears.
Habale. Habale. It's the one. Bro, his name? Bro.
Yeah, bro, yeah. Rapuri.
Rupari.
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 Sorry.
Bro.
Rupari.
Rupari. Your voice is good, right? You can hear?
Yeah, I bro.
Tabari. I think his brother who composed the song.
Yeah, compose the song.
Yeah.
Yeah, I've seen it now. I've seen it now.
Brother.
Guys, never mind our pronunciation. Our back again.
Mine was high. Subtitle is there, guys. We are reading subtitle. What's are you? Perfect.
Very touching, serious. Watch
and this is so sad,
So
man.
touching, so touching.
So
Yeah.
touching, man. See, like I was only thinking of his eyes problem because he's blind, right? But moreover than this also,
He couldn't. He attended his mom burial, but
Yeah.
unfortunately he couldn't. He was not able to see what is going on. Like he didn't even see his mom.
forget of seeing, man. The mom is no longer there.
She's no longer
it's
there.
okay if she's there also. At least he will feel okay.
He will feel okay.
Someone will be there supporting them. The mom is not there, and moreover, he's having.
Even he can't cry because he's have a side.
That's so
issue.
sad, man. That's so sad. So sad, man. So sad, so painful, man. It's really so painful.
sad. Like
This is this is the saddest video for me today to watch, man. This is so sad. One of the saddest thing to right?
actually, guys, to be sincere with you, like also my mom, she's late, so like the moment I watched the video, the thing touched me. Like the video
Yeah,
touched
it
me.
reminds you of
Yeah, it reminds me of my
about your
mother,
mom also,
you know.
right? Yeah. So sad at this age for him, like 10 years old. Maybe I think by now he can be maybe grown because
Yeah,
it was
he'll be grown.
2013.
Yeah.
But it's still like this is
Maybe he'll
really
be
so
17, 18 by now. But
yeah, but it's still so sad
still
to
young,
forget, man.
still young,
I
still
think
young.
he will be the kid that never enjoy his childhood, man.
yeah.
Because the mom left when he was young, and no one could be there. And at least if he can see, then that will be little, not that much challenging for him. But by that time he can't see, and the mother also left, and they became orphans.
See,
That's
there's
really so
this
sad.
quote says, once your mom is gone, you are lost.
That's the hardest.
You are lost.
That's really so painful,
Yes,
guys.
well,
And I'm so
it's a very
speechless,
great loss for
but
him. You know.
yeah, so great. And what I love the most also, like, we just have to support this boy, like, especially to promote his talent,
The
guys.
little one that we have.
Yeah, this is what we can do. And by promoting, sharing this video and his video also.
Yeah.
And in case any other richest people watching this video, you guys can check him out also, guys.
Yeah, check on him.
You can help, guys. You can help. Everyone can help, guys. So it's
Anything
really
is
something
something.
emotional to see. And this boy really has good talent. At least help cannot be by money. Sometimes help
By
can
support.
by there is so many ways
Yeah,
by
support.
supporting.
Yeah.
Like for us, we can also promote this video by making others people like to make other people be aware of him and to see his video.
Yeah.
They can help him to promote his talent and he can live on that. It can help him, guys.
Not only him, also the family.
The
Because
family,
he said,
guys, they are all
he's
orphans.
orphan.
Yeah.
So the little one, people they can share.
Yeah, the little you can help with
Yeah,
it.
just-
It mean more for them, guys.
Yeah, for sure.
I don't know where they're staying currently, but anyway, guys, that is so speedless, and I don't know if I can make it to Meghalaya one day. I'll do my best just to visit them. I'll do really my best if I'll make it to Meghalaya. I'll try it. I'll try to catch up. Just let us know more about his background, guys,
Yeah.
and the current location
yeah,
where they stay,
where he's
guys.
staying right now.
Yeah.
it will be very helpful. for
And
other
make sure
people
to share
visit.
this video, guys, share in every group,
In
guys.
any
Let
platform,
other people
yeah,
know
share
about
it.
this video, because if some people can help, some people really can do that, guys. So thank you so much. Let's also put him in our prayer, guys.
Yeah, yeah.
May God be with him, and we don't know, God is the
God's plan,
Father,
yeah.
the Creator.
God knows
Since He
better.
created him like that, He has planned for him.
Yeah, God knows
So
better.
let's support each other. Peace out. Love to Meghalaya Shillong, guys.
Stay safe, guys.
Love from Africa. Stay tuned.